Hello students, welcome online revision classes at Sri Vidyaniketana Public School. Dear students, this is grade 2 unit 4 revision videos. Dear students, before start the class, make sure that you are prepared with your SR book, workbook, notebook with a pencil. Now let's start today's class. Dear students, this is on the screen you are watching our concept map. Okay. Here you can see our topics and subtopics. Okay. So here students, these are our topics and subtopics. Let's start. Here our topic is identify different types of the plants. So here in this we are going to revise, describe functions of each part. Okay. Our next topic is describe how plants grow from seeds to plant. Okay, in this we are going to revise two subtopics. First one is describe what plants need to grow and survive. Okay, and the second one is needs of plant. Okay, students, this is our third topic, classify types of plants. In this we will revise, classify plants based on where plants grow, based on their appearance and based on food. Okay, students. Now, our fourth topic is identify importance of taking care of plants. And this is our subtopic, describe ways to take care of the plants. Okay, student. Now, let's start our worksheet. Here, student, this is our worksheet, day 1, part of the plant. Okay. So, here you can see plants have 5 parts. Do you know what are they? Very good. The first one is roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. Okay, these are parts of the plants. And here students, you can see our question. What we have given here? See, label the parts of the plants and use the given words. Okay, here you can see the plant and here we have given you specific places to name the parts of the plants. So here we have given you some words which we have to use. And those are roots, fruits, flowers, stem, leaf. Okay students. Now here for example this one. So what is this? Yeah, this is a flower. Okay. So I will write it down here, flower. Okay, students. Like this, you have to fill all the blanks. Now move to the next worksheet, and that is day 2. And our topic is parts of plants and their functions. Okay. Here, see students, the parts and functions of the plants. Let's see what are the parts of and functions. The first one is roots. Here the function of the root is it takes in water and other nutrients from the soil and send to other parts of the plant. Okay, roots are inside the soil. Okay students, understood? Okay, now next part of the plant is stem. It helps the plant stand straight. It carries water and other nutrients from roots and sent to other part of the plant. Stem is above the soil. Now third part is leaf. Plants make their food in leaves. Leaves are above the soil. Flower is the fourth part. Okay. Flowers produce seeds to give birth to new plants. Flowers are above the soil. Okay. Now the fifth part is fruit. Fruits protects the seeds and store food to the plant. Okay. Fruits are above the soil. So these are the parts of the roots and their functions. Now let's see our worksheet here. Write the answers for each part of the plant below. Here you can see the parts of the plants. Okay, and here see Is this part above or below the soil? Here, what is the use of this part? Okay, so here you can see a part, one of the part, that is root. And what you have to do here, students, you have to mention it whether it is below the soil or above the soil. And here see what is the use of the part, that you have to mention. And like this, you have to see all the pictures and you have to mention here. Okay, and you have to, here in this column, you have to mention all the uses of parts. Okay, I hope you understood. Now move to the next worksheet, and that is day 3. And our topic is parts of the plants and their functions. Okay, see the questions here. What you have to do here, students? Answer in one sentence only. Okay, now see, we have given you some questions. Let's see. Which part is called the kitchen of the plant? This is our first question here. And here in the given space, here you have to mention your answers. Okay. The second question is, which part fixes the plant in the soil and provides support? That answer you have to write it down here. Okay. Which part is like our backbone? Okay. Which part is like plant's backbone? Okay. What is used to give birth to a new plant? Which part gives water and other nutrients to leaves, flowers and fruit? The next question is, which part are above the soil? Okay. And the last question is, what will happen if the stem of the plant is weak? Okay. These are the questions which you need to answer in one sentence. Okay, students. Now move to the next worksheet. That is day 4. The topic is life cycle of a plant. See here, student. Life cycle of a plant. Plants grow from a seed to a sapling to a big plant. They go through 6 stages. Okay. Now let's see all the 6 stages here. First one, seed. A plant's life begins as a seed under the ground. Second one, sprouting seed. After a few days, the seed begins to grow roots down in the soil. Third, sprout. When the small stem comes out of the soil, that plant is called sprout. The fourth step is sapling. Fourth stage is sapling. A sapling is a small plant with some leaves. Fifth stage is small plant. Small plant is taller than a sapling and has more leaves. And this is sixth one. The last stage of the plant is big plant. The plant becomes big and grows flowers and fruits. So these are the life cycle of a plant. Now let's see here. Explain the life cycle of a plant. Here, students, here these are all stages of a plant's life cycle. Here you have to write down explanation. Seed. Okay, students. So what you have to do here? Seeds means plant's life begin. Here see, a plant's life begins as a seed under the ground. That you have to write down here. Second one is sprouting seeds. Okay, you have to explain like this. After a few days, the seeds begin to grow roots down in the soil. Okay, I hope you understood this all. Like that, you have to finish this column. Now moving to the next worksheet. Here, life cycle of a plant. Okay, here, students. Here, what you have to do? Write the correct sequence of the stages of the growth of a plant. Okay. So here we have given you some pictures. Some pictures of the stages of the plant. Okay. See all the stages. And what you have to do here? You have to write it down the sequences, like which comes first, which comes